Have a nice day all. Today I talk about character data type in Python. Like in many other programming languages, Python doesn't have a data type called character. As we learned earlier, that means I have talked about in my earlier videos numeric, dictionary, boolean and sequence data types. Then Python has only these data types. In Python, even a single character is simply a string with length of 1. What is that? Here, I have written a variable name that is x. Then I have assigned here simple a. Now this is a string with length of 1. Right? Then we can define that a string is a collection of one or more characters. Then even it is a one character, it is a string in Python. To access an element or character of a string, we can use square brackets. Right. Now let us come to some examples. Here the variable name is x. This one. Variable name is x. It is assigned by a collection of characters. TOMMY. Now these characters have been indexed. This is the 0th position, first position. Likewise, the maximum index number is 4. When you want to access these elements, you can use these index numbers. Here, print function has been used. Then the variable name x. Then within square brackets, you can give the index number you want. Then you can access any element you want using index numbers. Next, also indexing allows negative address references. What is that? To access characters from here, you can access characters from backward. Then that means here -1 refers to the last character and -2 refer to the second last number. Likewise, then if you access -1 within square brackets, what happens? Then it gives the last character of that string. Then here from right to left it decreases. Right? Next important thing is if you access an index out of the range, it will cause an index error. Now we do practicals. Then there we will see. And only an integer can be used to pass an index. Yes, you can only give an integer. If you give float value, if you give another data type, what happens? It will give a type error. Okay, let us do some codings here. Now here I have written a variable name that is x. Then a string value, a collection of characters has been assigned here. Here these ones have been indexed from 0 to maximum index number is number 4. Here 0th position, first position, second position, likewise. Right? Now what I'm going to do is I want to access these elements. Here I use number 4, that is the maximum index number of this string. Now if I access number 4, what happens? It will give us y as the result. I run here y. Can you understand? Now next one. Now what I'm going to do is I want to access a minus number. If I access -2, I told you -1 here. -1 will be this y. Then -2 will be m. It decreases from right to left. Then -1 is the last element of this string. Right? -1 will be again y. -2 will be again I print 2. -2 will be m. I run this one. Right? M. Next one. Now I want to give a index number that is out of the range. Now here maximum index number is number 4. If I give 56, what happens? It is out of the range, then it will give index error. Now I run this one. can you see it gives us a string index out of range. It is an error. Now next one. Here last example. In last example what I have done is I have given a float data type. It is incorrect. We can only use integer data type to access element in this variable, right? Now if I run this, what will be the error message it gives? It will give type error. Now run. Yes, the result is type error, right? Likewise, this is a very simple lesson. Today we learned very important thing, that is there is no character data type in Python. Even a single character is a string that has length of 1. Then we learnt about how to access elements in a string and minus number accessing. Also there are two types of errors when we access elements. Okay, thank you very much. I again ask you to please subscribe my channel and share it, like it, and comment anything if you have any problem about this lesson or anything about Python. Thank you.